Welcome my dear students. Today teacher will continue with the new subtopic. Can you please open the textbook page 78. Our topic today is how do you express ratios in their simplest form? Simplest means lowest or smallest value. We can express ratios in its simplest form by divide the quantities with the high common factor or multiple the quantities with the lowest common multiple. Okay, we look at example 4, page 78. Express each of the following ratios in its simplest form. A. 800 gram ratio 1.8 kg. So we look here, the unit is different. One is in gram and one is in kg. So first we have to change to the same unit. In these questions, it's more easier if we change the kg to the gram. This one maintain. So how to change the kg in gram? Okay. 1 kg equal to how many gram? 1000 gram. Okay, this one you have to memorize. So 1.8 kg, how many gram? So as we know, when the kg increase, the gram also increase. So we use the directly proportional method. So 1000 gram divide by 1 kg multiple 1.8 kg. So here kg below, kg above, we can cut. So leave the answer in gram. So 1000 gram multiple 1.8, the value is 1800 gram. 1800 gram. So here 800 gram we carry forward. 800 gram ratio 1.8 kg 1800 gram. Okay, when the unit is same, we can get rid the unit. So we can write 800 ratio 1800. Okay, here, to form the simplest form, we have to divide. Okay, we have to divide. Divide. When we divide, we have to find the high common factor. So what is a high common factor for these two numbers? Okay, 800 and 1800. Okay, this one is, this number actually should be the prime number, but in this case we can divide here with 100. So 800 divided by 100 is 8. This one 18. Okay, what's the number here? The number here that can divide 8 and 18 is 2. Because both is a even number. 8 divided by 2, 4. 18 divided by 2, 9. Any more number here? I don't think so. So we stop here. So the high common factor is 100 times 2 is 200. So it means that these both numbers should divide by 200 and then 200. So we get, can use calculator for ratio 9. Okay, next example B. Okay, B 32 ratio 24 ratio 20. Okay, this is a big number. So, to change to simplest form, we have to divide. Okay, when divide, we have to find the high common factor. Okay, so high common factor for 32, 24, 20. So this number is a prime number. We start with the smallest prime number, which is 2. 32 divided by 2 is 16. 24 divided by 2, 12. 20 divided by 2, 10. Okay, check. All the 3 is an even number, so better divide by 2. More easier. 16 divided by 2, 8. 12 divided by 2, 6. 10 divided by 2, 5. Okay, 8, 6, 5. Can any number that divide 3 of these? I don't think so. So we have to stop here. High common factor is 2 times 2. This one equal to 4. Then here divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4. 32 divided by 4 is 8. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Okay, this is the answer. Okay. Now look at C. Here C. Okay, C. Okay, C 3/5 ratio 7/10 ratio. Okay, only to this one, yeah. 3 ratio 5. Okay, this one. Okay, to get rid of the fraction, we have to multiply. Multiply with number. So when multiply, we need to find the lower common multiple. So how to get the lower common multiple? Okay, 5 and 10. Okay, so this one 5. We divide by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 5 is a prime number. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Lowest common multiple, the n should be here, all is 1. So this is 2. We need to divide by 2, but this one carry. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Lower common multiple, n here should be 1 and 1. Yeah. So lower common multiple is 5 times 2 is 10. So we need to multiply with 10. Okay. 3 multiple 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Okay, 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, here this one is 6. 7. Okay, this one same number, we can cut, leave it the 7. So the answer is 6 ratio 7. This is the final answer. Okay. Next, okay, look at D. The question is 0.04 ratio 0.12 ratio 0.56. Okay, this one. This is decimal. To get rid decimal, you have to multiple with 100 here. And this is also multiple 100. This is also multiple 100. So 4 multiple 100 is, okay, 0.04 multiple 100, the value is 4. 0.12 multiple 100 is 12. 0.56 multiple 100 is 56. This one you can use calculator if you cannot calculate manually. Okay, this is a big number, so we have to divide. When divide, we have to find the high common factor. High common factor for 1256. Okay, look here. This is a even number, so automatically can divide by 2. 4 divided by 2, 2. 12 divided by 2, 6. 56 divided by 2, 28. All even number, so automatically divide by 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 6 divided by 2, 3. 28 divided by 2, 14. So, no more. No number can divide the three of this. So, high common factor is 2 times 2 equal to 4. So, it means that here 4 divided by 4, 12 divided by 4, 56 divided by 4. So, 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 56 divided by 4 is 14. So this is the final answer. Okay. So the conclusion of the lesson today is how to get the ratio in the simplest value or smallest value or simplest form. Okay, now teacher will give the homework. Okay, I want you to do self-practice. C, page 79. Okay, try to do the exercise. After you did the exercise, I want you to check the answer at the back of the textbook. If you get the wrong answer, I want you to try again. If you still cannot understand, you can message me and I will try to help you. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.